Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Microsoft tips and tricks. Today, we're tackling how to sync SharePoint to a network drive in 2025. If you're tired of juggling files between cloud storage and your local machine, this tutorial is for you. Syncing SharePoint to a network drive makes collaboration smoother and access faster, especially in a business setting. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the prerequisites sorted. You'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription with SharePoint access, administrative permissions on your network drive, and the latest OneDrive Sync app installed on your computer. Don't worry if you're missing any. These are quick fixes, and I'll link resources in the description. Step 1. Open your SharePoint site in a web browser and navigate to the library you want to sync. Look for the Sync button in the toolbar. It's usually right at the top. Click it and select Sync Now. This will prompt the OneDrive Sync app to open. Next, in the OneDrive app, choose your network drive as the sync location. You'll see an option to map a network drive. Select it and enter the path, like Server, Share. Make sure to authenticate if required. It might ask for your credentials. Now, customize your sync settings. Decide which folders to include or exclude, and set it to sync automatically. This is great for real-time updates across devices. Hit Start Sync, and watch the magic happen. Your SharePoint files will now appear on your network drive. One common hiccup is permission errors, so double-check your access rights. If you run into issues, restart the OneDrive app or check Microsoft's support page. There you have it. Your SharePoint is now synced and ready for action. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay tuned for our next video on advanced SharePoint features. See you soon.